There are 24 cities across the state of Michigan where workers pay city income tax, even if they don't live in that community. Of those 24 cities, Detroit taxes the most of its non-resident workers at 1.2%. Mara McDonald live downtown tonight because there is now a bill up for discussion in Lansing, Mara, that would ban these kinds of income taxes.
And Devin, I want to be super clear that while this bill certainly has its champions and possibly if it could pass through both houses, the idea that this governor would sign it, mighty slim. That said, with so many people working from home because of COVID, it sure starts an interesting conversation. Let me show you why.
I like to call it is the no taxation without representation bill.
State Representative Pam Hornberger appearing in front of the Tax Policy Committee today with her bill, which would end the practice of taking income tax from workers who are non-residents.
I've heard from cities across our state that have come to me as the chair of the Tax Policy Committee looking for answers because they're seeing more and more employees going to remote work.
Only 24 communities across the state of Michigan implement the practice, including Detroit, which the state treasury says lost out on more than $23 million of those taxes after workers were able to show on their tax returns they were not physically present working in Detroit during the pandemic. Non-resident workers can try to recoup some of those tax dollars by proving they spend time outside of the city. Hornberger doesn't believe cities should be able to put income tax on people who have no say in how the city's government is run.
You have absolutely no representation, you have no say, and yet you're being taxed simply based on the fact that you work, you drive to work in that city.
The Michigan Municipal League came out hard against cutting off a source of revenue. Still, if work from home becomes a new normal post-COVID, these cities will continue to lose out on this revenue stream. Back here live, I think it's important to point out that it is not historically financially distressed cities that are the only ones who are doing this. For example, Grand Rapids has an income tax on non-resident city workers. As far as this bill, it was in committee today. It was not voted on. Will it likely come up again? You bet. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Interesting debate. All right, Mara.